Cosmetic clinics are losing a lot of money because of this home remedy. The beauty of our face is of great importance no matter that we are men or women. Having a clean face and in good condition is the best cover letter we can show. That is why a large number of people invest many resources in taking care of your face. However, conventional treatments are usually just a hoax. That is the reason why in this article we will talk about a natural treatment to take care of your face. This homemade remedy is more like a cream, and is prepared based on parsley and lemon or apple cider vinegar. This will be able to whiten your skin and leave your face totally clean and free of impurities. So powerful is that even freckles and other spots on the face will disappear. Parsley is a vegetable rich in vitamins and minerals that benefit our health. Its extract contains oils containing high levels of magnesium and potassium. It has many applications in human health. It is widely used to combat fever, inflammation, diabetes, kidney and urinary tract diseases, and even to combat impotence. However, its most powerful properties are those reserved for skincare. Parsley removes redness, irritation and swelling. It also refreshes the skin and gives it the natural shine it always had. It also combats pimples and acne and many other skin ailments. Pay attention to the following instructions on how to prepare this fabulous cream. What we will need: chopped parsley leaves, 2 tablespoons. Lemon juice or apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon. Clean water, 200 milliliters. Preparation and use: 1. To begin, we must put to boil the 200 milliliters of water in a pot. Once it has reached the boiling point, add the 2 tablespoons chopped parsley leaves and simmer for another 15 minutes. After that time, we turned off the burner and let it cool down. Then add the lemon juice and pour it into a glass container and refrigerate. 2. This lotion we will spread on the face every morning and evening for better results. It will clean and cover the pores of our face, while whitening the skin. Due to its powerful properties, it will be able to remove dark spots